I just wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas, and I hope your Christmas is filled with happiness and health. I also wanted to give you an update on the Metabolic Reset that I'm doing. I am now in the maintenance phase, so it's week 6, and I've lost 17.6 pounds. So that's 17.6 pounds in just a few days shy, or a few days over 6 weeks. That's not too bad. The biggest benefit that I am loving is the intermittent fasting. Again, you only have to intermittent fast for 16 to 17 hours. I do tend to go a little longer than that. I go anywhere from 20 all the way to 24 hours. You don't have to do that. That's how I feel comfortable. But some of the things I'm seeing because of intermittent fasting is improved sleep, along with the mouth tape. That really has been helping. And I'll talk about the mouth tape in a little bit. No more brain fog. My energy has skyrocketed. Now, there was a period of about 2 weeks where my energy was really low. I think my body was adjusting, going through some changes, but now my energy is sky high. I feel lighter when I'm fasting. And it's not just the weight, it's just, I guess it's the toxins that are being released. So that's a huge benefit. The other thing is my hormones have completely reset. I won't get into details about that because it might be a little TMI for some people, but yeah, my hot flashes are pretty much gone. I don't have any more night sweats, maybe occasional, but nothing like they were. They were keeping me up several times a night. Let me see, what else? I guess that's about it. And as for the mouth taping, what I found I have to do is instead of just putting one piece of tape right here, it was starting to make my lips chapped. So I used the long piece of tape, but before I put it on, I put a smaller piece right across where the lips would go so that those two pieces stick to each other, and that helps. So I don't have anything touching my lips. It's only on the top and on the bottom on my skin, and that doesn't bother me at all. So mouth taping is a benefit. I know it sounds funny and it's like, you know, a big joke, but it really has improved my sleep and my breathing. I find that even when I'm starting to breathe heavy during exercise, I don't really have to breathe through my mouth anymore. I can breathe through my nose. So that's a big deal. Couple of tips that I've had to do when I have had some cravings are something called the crush technique, and that has to do with deep breathing, some questions you ask yourself, and some pulse points that you push while you're deep breathing. So that has gotten me through the cravings. And now it's Christmas time, so I can have a couple things that I wasn't able to have when I was going through the release phase, and I am still releasing, so that's a big benefit too. I have increased my exercise. I'm not just walking anymore. I'm walking more vigorously, doing some weights, doing some bar workouts, a little bit of cardio. So that has been beneficial as well. I just wanted to give you a quick update and tell you all that I wish you a very happy and Merry Christmas. Be healthy.